Brother Yusuf, this has been a wonderful journey. Your beginning and your journey through your college days and your school days and your bringing. It has really been a pleasure and a blessing to hear your background and your journey to Islam. Well, time is out. We are really gone beyond time. But what would you like to share with us in just about 30 seconds before we conclude the show, inshallah? But as I said, bi'idhnillah, we will have another program once more. We will have another program, another talk show on some of these dawah activities that you do worldwide. I know you have a list of activities that you do with other organizations and other countries. We would definitely want to have you back to talk about your activities after becoming a Muslim, inshallah. So tell us in 30 seconds before we conclude the show, what would you like to share with us?
Yeah, I mean, essentially it's what we do at the city retreat, which is rather than talking at non-Muslims, talking about Islam to Muslims, go out and practice Islam in the public arena. What does that mean? That means feeding the poor, means spreading the salam. So the Prophet ﷺ said, the best form and aspect of Islam is to feed people and spread the salams. That's something that everyone can do. Everyone worth their weight in gold who refers to himself as a Muslim, you can go out and do that. And the month of Ramadan's right round the corner, and this is the best time to do it right now. And that is the simplest, most succinct and accurate message I can give an account of the Deen of Islam.
Alhamdulillah. Thank you very much. Jazakallah, Brother Yusuf Chambers, for taking the time to be with us on this show, My Journey to Islam on Alhikmat TV, 24/7 online. It's really a blessing to have had you with us, and I know you got volumes to share with the world and our viewers worldwide on your activities after becoming a Muslim. So we would definitely have to get you back on this show so we can talk. I always hear a lot, and we have seen a lot about your activities in different countries and in the United Kingdom, etc. So we hope